Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. My voice is gone. I went to a wedding over the weekend and it was so good. It's just really nice to see like love. Like I was saying before guys, I went to a wedding over the weekend. It was so nice. I'm very soppy. I love anything to do with like happiness. I love. This weekend I've actually got another wedding to go to. It's the same one, but this is like the official white wedding. I look crazy, but yeah, like it's just, love is just nice, you know, like obviously like that real love, you know. But anyway, how have you guys been doing? I've not been up to much. I've just been working and stuff. Sorry, my voice is literally non-existent. I'm just blending out my brows. So I'm just powdering my brows. Brows looking a little bit too light. But yeah, we're gonna make it work. It's all gonna come together anyway. But yeah, it's really nice to like be around like family and like loved ones, people that you know. Like where family can get together and stuff. It's so nice. I'm gonna go in with like the Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna take, sorry guys, hate flies. I'm gonna take this colour here. Then I'm gonna take this colour here. I've been thinking about some things recently and we're just thinking about like the people you keep in your circle, your space. And it's really important that the right people are in your space, because I'm telling you, you can be messed up if like the wrong people are like in your space. I call it like the friendship detox, where you detox yourself from like certain people in your life, you know, for you to just be able to like better yourself. And it's such a hard process, because you know, like you love your friends, you care for your friends, you want to see them win and stuff, but unfortunately not everyone can like come up with you, if that makes sense. It was really hard at the time. I did this like a long time ago, if I'm honest. I'm okay now, like so happy I did, okay, because it's so difficult when you're trying to like achieve like your dreams and stuff and your goals, and you have people around you that are just so negative. Like they're like so negative, like it's almost funny. Nothing's good enough, nothing's, and obviously because maybe in like some cases some people are not happy with their life, so it's hard for them to take in like your success or just the good things that are happening to you. And can I be really honest, I don't blame them. But if we're gonna like be a bit real, it is kind of hard if, you know, you're trying and things just aren't going great for you. It seems like your friend's life is just perfect, which it's not. I can say that for free, no one's perfect. But I can understand. Personally, I'm not like that. In fact, if anything, it motivates me. I love that people are just doing well. I just love that people like are just happy, you know. Everyone's trying to like make something out of their life, you know, and it really like warms my heart. Enjoy life. Like life is too short, and you know, tomorrow's not promised, so why would you not be happy for someone, you know? That's the only bit I don't really get sometimes. Why can't you be happy for others? It's really odd to me. It's really weird. But I know it's not that easy. I know that not everyone has that same outlook in life. But I do think you have to be happy for people. Like no matter what you're going through in your life. Like let it motivate you. And if you are that person, just maybe reflect and think, why aren't I happy for someone? Like just be happy for them. And just know that your turn's coming, because I'm telling you, We can all live a good life, okay? So don't be disheartened. Don't think, oh my god, it's never me. Trust me, babe, it's coming. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You will be fine. But in the meantime, be happy for others. Yeah, guys, so I've just put on my lashes. These are from a company called Dodo Lashes. I absolutely love these. Obviously, these lashes are not for the faint-hearted, but it's right up my alley. I love dramatic lashes, wispy, long. I'm going to start my foundation. Now that I'm primed, I'm going to go in with the NARS in the colour Tahoe. This is like my summer colour. My winter colour is Syracuse. I'm so happy because I never get this tanned. But this year, the weather in London has just been great. Don't be alarmed though, guys. It might look really light, but it is going to blend so nicely. Wow. Yeah, I love a bright under eye, honestly, don't judge me. I'm going to be doing like some hair videos because when I don't have my hair in extensions, I have my hair in braids. So I'm definitely going to like show you guys like how I do mine. Sometimes I don't do my own braids. Well, most of the time I actually get it done by my hairstylist. I have a few collaborations coming up too with some hairstylists and stuff, so hopefully you guys are gonna love that. Honestly, I love working with different people. I think the only thing that puts me off is that I don't like a lot of people in my hair. Like, call me, you know, OTT, but I am quite particular with who actually is in my hair, because I remember one time, quick story time, I used to perform a lot when I was younger. I used to do like a lot of dancing competitions, stuff like that. I'd go to the hair salon and I would get my hair done. I'd not been to her before, but we were desperate because there was a lot going on. And the thing is, my mum probably could have done my own hair because she was really, really good. We had been recommended by someone like, oh my god, she's really, really good, blah, blah, blah. What happened was, so my mum usually would stay with me, but she didn't this time. And because she had to go somewhere quickly. Guys, when she was washing my hair, I didn't realise. It's only like when I got older, we realised. She was on the phone when she was doing my hair. And even when I was younger, I was thinking, she shouldn't really be on the phone. And that's one of like my pet peeves. You know, if you are doing my hair, please could you not use your phone? I'm not like fussy or anything, but I just don't want you to be distracted. You like make a mistake or you hold the tongue. Like, I've had so much like bad experiences, so now I'm like really like, oh, thank God, so far so good. No one uses the phone when they do my hair. Maybe they can sense it, but she was using the phone and she actually put perm in my hair. Don't ask me how she did it. And I did feel like a burning, but I didn't think, I thought it was like, you know the tingling feeling you get when you use like tea tree products? I literally thought it was that. I didn't know, I never thought, oh yeah, because obviously I'm young. In my mind, it felt wrong, but I just thought, oh, okay, cool. My hair was really nice when it came out. So, oh, my thing's flashing. But Mum was like, oh my god, your hair looks really nice. Like, looks really nice. We were happy. I think it was like 2 weeks after, and she was washing my hair, and like a lot of hair was coming out. My Mum was like, this isn't right. Anyway, a lot of my hair was coming out. I was really upset. And the big indicator was that my hair, when I was washing it, remained straight. And we were like, okay, no, because my hair doesn't do that. so it goes curly and stuff, but it shouldn't be like dead straight. Like it was dead straight, and mum was like, no. So after that, whether it was like a semi-permanent perm, it was something that doesn't last long. So after that, we were just like, no more, we're doing your hair at home no matter what. And yeah, so that is the reason I'm the way I am, okay? I don't mind, because obviously it's your business and stuff. If you have to take a call, you have to take a call. But yeah, I think I would rather you don't use your phone. Is I'm gonna go in with my contour. So I'm using the Hoola bronzer today. That was my, I would call that a horror story, because my hair broke. Do you see like how it's like all like come together really nicely? So nose is contoured. So I'm now gonna go in and do my under eye. This is how I get the red. So I'm gonna go in with 2 palettes. Orange here, this red here. I bring the eyeshadow quite low. I know that sometimes people don't like to, but I just love how it looks. It almost reminds me of like a grungy look. And if you notice with grungy, I hope that's it, I hope that is the right term. They almost smoke their under eye and they take it down quite low, so it almost looks like bags. I love the effect it gives. I'm gonna now take this colour here. It's so nice. So I'm gonna pop this in my inner. Well, I'm gonna go in with my MAC. I love this so much. This is called Oh Darling Extra Dimension. Love it. Do you know who I was listening to the other day? Marina and the Diamonds. Some of you guys will know, I'm sure like loads of you guys should know. But I went online and she's releasing music. If she has a concert, I'm definitely going. She is definitely like one of my inspirations for like fashion, hair, music, you know. Absolutely love her. This is again not for the faint-hearted, however it's gonna give you what you want, and I love a good highlight. Thank you. I actually recently bought the Fenty Glow lip gloss. It has changed my lip gloss life. I don't put it straight on because I don't want it to mix with my, because then what happens, it just changes the colour and then everything just goes wrong. Anyways guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really did. Let me know guys if you like these like chit chat tutorials. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Remember to follow me on Snapchat. We're a big old family over there, okay, at Golden Girl Gabs. and on my pages at House of Gabrielle and at Braid Scan. I'll be posting on both. So, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.